Udenna, the debt-laden oil-to-gaming conglomerate controlled by businessman Dennis Wee, has finalized a deal to sell a 45% stake in the Malampaya gas field to billionaire Enrique Razen's prime infrastructure capital. Completion of the deal, which was first announced in June, is subject to consent by the government and state-owned NUC Exploration Corporation, which holds a 10% stake in Malampaya. Udenna will retain a 45% stake in the offshore natural gas field located some 80 kilometers northwest of Palawan Island in the West Philippine Sea. Developed by British energy giant Shell in 1991, the operating license for Malampaya, which has been the sole source of fuel for gas-fired power plants in Luzon, the Philippines' largest island, is set to expire in 2024. The gas field will be a significant addition to Prime Infra's growing energy portfolio that includes what could be the world's biggest solar farm. We believe that gas is an important transition fuel in the near term, reducing the need for baseload fossil fuels like coal, Razen, chairman of Prime. Hence, we intend to accelerate investments on the Malampaya gas field to improve output of existing wells and, if possible, develop new wells in the area once the license extension is secured from the government. The transaction, financial details of which weren't disclosed, comes a week after a deal. While the $4 million debt payment was promptly settled on July 25, the incident flagged the conglomerate's growing debt woes. We borrowed heavily as his companies went on an investment spree after Duterte's election in 2016, buying controlling an interest in the Malampaya gas project for about $1 billion over 2 tranches and partnering with China Telecom to build the country's third mobile carrier in recent years. As his business empire expanded, Udenna sank deeper into the red and the liabilities of the group topped 254 billion pesos, $4.6 billion, as of the end of 2020. Since then, Udenna has been liquidating some of its assets, selling the company's shares in logistics firm Tugo Group Incorporated to the Tsai family's SM Investments Corporation in June 2021. Razen's Bloomsbury Resorts, operator of the Solaire Resort and Casino in Manila, had agreed in May this year to invest in Wee's casino resort projects in the central Philippine island of Cebu and at the former Clark Air Base in Pampanga, north of Manila. Razen has been stepping up investments in casinos, water utilities and renewable energy projects in recent years amid a boom in the business of his flagship port operator International Container Terminal Services Incorporated. He has a net worth of $5.9 billion, according to Forbes real-time data.